engineering artisans crafted a modified version of their typical Mesmer robot, designed in the likeness of Awul Fakir Jainalabdin Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India. This creation was intended for exhibition at Military Might in Chandrapur, Maharashtra. In 2016, Ricky Ma, a designer from Hong Kong, devoted over a year and $50,000 to fulfill his childhood dream of constructing a life-sized humanoid robot named Mark I robot. This remarkable female humanoid is built with a skeleton created through 3D printing, which forms about 70% of her body. With liquid eyes and the ability to display intricate facial expressions, such as eyebrow raises and wings, Mark I robot is engineered to engage in realistic conversations. As of September 2023, Ma was already considering the development of Mark II, envisioning an evolution that would integrate ChatGPT technology, thereby enhancing the robot's conversational abilities and broadening its interactive potential. Mark Robotics specializes in crafting bespoke full-body or half-body robotic creations tailored to clients' desires. Their services extend to delivering precise classic celebrity appearances and fulfilling corporate requirements. They cover every aspect from model aesthetics and appearance positioning to production and manufacturing, ensuring unparalleled customization and quality. The Geminoid series comprises humanoid robots developed by Japanese robotics professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, designed to closely emulate human appearance and behavior, featuring lifelike facial expressions and gestures. These robots can be remotely controlled to mirror human movements in real time and can be customized to closely resemble specific individuals, albeit not exact replicas. Geminoid robots serve as tools for researching human-robot interaction and cognition, investigating how people respond to robots closely resembling humans. Examples include Geminoid High 1, Geminoid DK, and Geminoid F, utilized in experiments and public demonstrations, stimulating discussions about the future implications of robotics and AI. Geminoid High 1, introduced in 2006, is an android replica of Hiroshi Ishiguro, reproducing his voice and head movements to explore human-like attributes. Geminoid F, developed in April 2010, is a realistic female android capable of mimicking human facial expressions and speech, modeled after a woman in her 20s. Geminoid DK, launched in 2011, closely resembles Danish professor Henrik Scharf, reflecting his ties to Denmark. In 2023, Hiroshi Ishiguro unveiled Erika, the first robot news anchor on national TV. Erika possesses conversational abilities, facial tracking, and reading skills. With a voice akin to a 23-year-old, she adeptly processes sound and conversations. Driven by advanced AI, Erika learns from interactions and excels in language processing. Although lacking limbs, she utilizes infrared sensors to monitor movement. Erika's potential applications span various fields, including healthcare, education, customer service, and public spaces. Actroids are humanoid robots developed by Osaka University and manufactured by Kokoro Company. Actroid boasts a strikingly human-like appearance. The first Actroid was initially unveiled at the 2003 International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo, Japan. Since then, multiple iterations of this product have been created, often resembling average young Japanese women. Actroid serves as a tangible realization of the android and gynoid concepts from science fiction, mimicking lifelike functions such as blinking, speaking, and breathing. Notably, the Reply models feature interactive capabilities, recognizing and processing speech to respond appropriately. Equipped with internal sensors and air actuators, Actroid models react with remarkable naturalness, even simulating defensive responses against intrusive actions. Enhanced by artificial intelligence, they can differentiate between gentle touches and more forceful interactions, adapting their reactions accordingly. Actroid's repertoire extends to imitating human behaviors through subtle movements, including shifts in position, head and eye motions, and simulated breathing. Moreover, these robots can be taught human-like movements by tracking reflective dots on a person's body, thereby learning and replicating gestures. Featuring realistic silicone skin and powered by external compressed air and hardware, Actroid's mobility is limited, typically displayed in seated or supported standing positions. Interaction with humans occurs through speech and nonverbal cues, with microphones recording speech and speech recognition software enabling verbal responses. The first Actroid was revealed at the International Robot Exhibition in November 2003. In January 2004, the Actroid Reply Q1 model was developed at Osaka University. In December 2004, the Actroid Reply Q1 Expo was created for Expo 2005 in Aichi. March 2005 saw the display of Actroid Expo models at the 2005 Expo, with 3 stationed at help booths and another serving as an MC on stage. Introduced in June 2005, Actroid there emerged as a rental-only model for dramatic entertainment, replicating human-like expressions with high functionality. Prioritizing lifelike presence, it boasts fluid gestures and attention-grabbing effects. Serving as a chairperson or booth assistant, it excels in delivering fluent narrations and captivating audiences. In October 2006, Actroid Dare 2 units debuted, dubbed the Actroid Dare 2, boosting enhanced appearance and performance, even cuter than its predecessor. This iconic robot surprises with long legs, a radiant smile, and captivating facial expressions. Its polished gestures make it an ideal narrator, doubling as a fashion model. In October 2008, Actroid Dare 3 units were launched, representing the younger sisters of Dare 2. Leveraging past technology, Dare 3 exhibits enhanced expressive capabilities. Notably, advancements in arm and foot movements enable actions like hand gestures and simulated kicking. While Dare 3 doesn't engage in soccer, meticulous attention to invisible mechanisms drives its development. Actroid Dare 3 possesses creative abilities, showcasing talents in singing and dancing. Actroid Sarah first appeared in November 2009. She looks like a young Japanese woman and can copy human facial expressions and movements very realistically. At the Global Mobile Internet Conference in Beijing on 30th April 2015, Yangyang, a humanoid robot equipped with a range of lifelike expressions, captivated attendees. Modeled after a key researcher involved in its development, Yangyang can blink, smile, shake hands, and even share hugs with its human counterpart. Crafted from a unique silica gel material, mimicking the tactile sensations of human skin, Yangyang marks the fourth creation from Shanghai Shenking Industry. Kavra HRP4, a slim and fast robot from Japan, was developed by Kavra Industries Incorporated in partnership with the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology. It benefits from advanced technology used in the HRP4C cybernetic human. With 34 degrees of freedom, including 7 in each arm for better object handling, it boasts a lightweight body measuring 151 centimeters tall and weighing 39 kilograms. The control system utilizes OpenTMAST software platform and the Linux kernel with the RT-Preempt patch. Bina 48 or Breakthrough Intelligence via Neural Architecture 48 is a humanoid robot characterized by a bust-like head and shoulders affixed to a frame, capable of producing lifelike facial expressions through 30 motors beneath her rubber skin. Developed by Henson Robotics and introduced in 2010, Bina 48 represents a technological rendition of a human, commissioned by Martine Rothblatt, a millionaire seeking to replicate the appearance of her spouse of over 35 years, Bina Rothblatt. Bina 48 is equipped with a database containing numerous books, enabling her to recite passages when prompted. currently situated at the non-profit Terrasa Movement Foundation, Incorporated. Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. Jules made his debut in 2006 at Wired Next Fest, captivating audiences with his advanced features including machine learning, face tracking, and facial recognition capabilities. Developed by Henson Robotics in collaboration with the Personality Forge AI chatbot platform, led by Benji Adams and Heather McKean, Jules boasts a software designed to simulate human-like interactions. Renowned for his statistically perfect androgynous face, Jules represents a significant advancement in robotics and AI technology. Presently, the robot is stationed at the University of West England in Bristol, where he continues to contribute to research and development initiatives. The Philip K. Dick Android made its first appearance at Wired Next Fest in 2005, designed as an android embodiment of the renowned American science fiction writer Philip K. Dick. Programmed with an extensive collection of the author's works, including journals and letters, the android utilized latent semantic analysis (LSA) to engage in conversations and analyze text. Henson Robotics and their team received an AAA award in 2005 for their creation of an intelligent conversational portrait of Philip K. Dick. However, the original robot was unfortunately lost during transit to San Francisco in the same year and was never recovered. In 2011, Henson Robotics collaborated with Dutch public broadcaster Wipro to develop and unveil a new version of the Android. This updated version featured 36 servomotors for facial expressions and incorporated motion tracking machine vision technology. Presently, the Philip K. Dick Android is dedicated to research as part of the non-profit Apollo Mind initiative, continuing to explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and human expression. In October 2023, Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister of State for Space, announced the start of trials for the Gaganyaan missions by ISRO. He also revealed plans to launch Vyomitra, a female spacefaring humanoid robot, as part of the mission's second phase. Vyomitra, meaning space and friend in Sanskrit, debuted in 2021 during an event on human spaceflight. It can monitor module parameters, issue alerts, operate switch panels, interact with astronauts, and simulate human functions in space. Reciproid, from Kyoe Sango, meets receptionist job requirements. Reed can understand and communicate in practically all languages worldwide. Reciproid ensures tireless performance and multilingual proficiency. In July 2019, Whitney Cummings unveiled her robot clone on stage during her Netflix comedy special, Can I Touch It? A-Lab, a company based in Tokyo, crafted the Matsukoroid, an android meticulously designed to mirror Matsuko Deluxe, the renowned plus-sized Japanese TV personality celebrated for his cross-dressing and resonant voice. The debut of Matsukoroid coincided with Matsuko Deluxe's presence on a fresh TV show titled Matsuko and Matsuko in April 2015. A-Lab crafted the Asuna robot, a remarkable innovation. This android is meticulously designed to emulate the appearance and behaviors of Asuna, a well-loved character from the anime and light novel series Sword Art Online. With the goal of breathing life into this cherished fictional figure, the Asuna robot provides fans with a tangible means to interact with her, offering a unique and immersive experience. Junko Chihira stands as an android creation by the Japanese firm Toshiba. Bearing the likeness of a human woman, she possesses the ability to express realistic facial emotions and gestures. Frequently employed as a greeter or receptionist across different environments, Chihira serves as a testament to cutting-edge robotics technology and lifelike interaction capabilities. Eiko Chihira, developed by Toshiba in Japan, is an android crafted to closely resemble a human woman. With remarkably realistic facial expressions and gestures, Echo frequently serves as a greeter or receptionist in diverse environments. Her presence not only highlights the advancements in robotics but also enthralls those who interact with her, showcasing her ability to engage in remarkably human like interactions. Nadine, developed by Nanyang Technological University, showcases advanced social intelligence capable of expressing emotions and interacting through arm movements. Nadine is a humanoid robot developed in 2013 by Rokuro in Japan. It has realistic skin, hair, and hands. Its software and new hands were created at NTU, Singapore, and now at the University of Geneva. Nadine is socially smart, greeting people, making eye contact, and recalling past chats. It can respond to questions in different languages, display emotions through gestures and facial expressions, and recognize people it's met before. Nadine's personality changes based on interactions, and it has 27 degrees of freedom for facial expressions and body movements. It helps by reading stories, showing pictures, organizing online sessions, sending emails, and talking to family members. Nadine can also serve as a receptionist or personal mentor,